Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about PowerPoint tutorial Home tab part 1. So this is the introductory video on PowerPoint presentations. So we can see we have Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View as the main tabs here, and under Home we have 6 sections: clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and editing. So today's video is about slides, font, and paragraph. Let us start with the new slide. So in slides section we have 4 um, buttons, that is new tab, layout, reset, and section. New slide is used to um, get a new slide onto the PowerPoint. So we have 9 layouts. In that we can choose any layout. 8 of the layouts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 have already text boxes in them, and this is a blank slide. So to use this slide we need to enter a text box. Let us see how it goes. So let us choose this. So we have this particular empty slide with this layout. So we can hit into the box anywhere inside the text box and add the text. So here also we can hit inside the text box and add the text. Okay, so this is the basic way to add the text. So this is about the first slide, and similarly we can use any all other slides except this. So this is a blank slide. If we choose this blank slide, we cannot type anything here because there is no text box. So we need to insert a text box from this drawing section. When we hit on this, we get a text box. We can add a text box. Hit on this, you get a symbol as you're seeing on the screen, like a plus symbol. Use your left click and drag the text box as per your requirement. So you can now enter the text. Okay, so that is how we use this new slides. So next one is layout. Layout button is used to know which layout it is. Currently we are on a blank slide. So we have chosen a blank slide from new slides section. So if we choose the slide number 3 and see the layout, it again says blank slide. For example, if we choose this slide, say we have chosen this slide. Now if we go to layout, it says this title slide, correct? So it recognizes the basic layout of the slide. So that is the use of this button. Next we have reset. Suppose I have used this particular layout and I have made some changes like this. I have changed the size of text box, and now I do not want this particular text boxes. I just want to go back to the original layout I have used in the beginning. So I can choose this slide like here and then hit reset button. So it will go back to the original layout. So that is the use of reset button. Those sections button is used to make or create sections. So we can create a section, that is add a section and rename it. So we have clicked section when we are on third slide, so it has started one section from third slide. But if we want to make it from first slide, we have to go to first slide, hit on section, add section. So I can give a title like introduction. So this is the introduction section where by default all the slides are included. So if I want to create another section, I can go to say fourth slide and I can say add section. Say it's lesson 1. Right, so I can give a name of my choice. Now if we go and collapse all, we can see there are two sections, right? So so this 3 is there are 3 slides under this section. Up to 3rd slide, the introduction section is there. Up to 10th slide, lesson 1 section is there. So that is how it recognizes the section. So we can expand all, or we can remove a particular section or remove all sections and go back to the original without any sections. So this is the use of sections. Basically, it helps when there's a large number of slides with different categories of slides. So it helps to choose the particular set of slides using this section method. So next is the font. So we'll go to the font. So once I am outside now, till now I haven't clicked inside this slide, so this font section is not active. When we click inside this slide, the font section becomes active. So the first one is the name of the font. So if I select this and go to the drop down, and I can change the font to Arial, and here this is the font size. I can change it to any size I want, to say 66. Now these two buttons are used to increase this font size like this, and this is for decreasing the font size. So these 4 buttons are, this is for bold, this is for italic, and this is for underline. So I can make this west as select the text and hit on this, it will become bold. Now I can select north and hit on this to make it italics, and south to make it underline. So we need to choose the text we want and press the button as per the requirement. So to change to normal, we can choose again the same text and hit the same button. It will come back to normal. So the fourth one is the text shadow. So we can add shadow to the font. So I'm just increasing the size and hitting on shadow. So you can see that the font has become some shadow text. So the next one is the strike through. We can strike through the text like this, and if I want to remove this strike, again I need to hit the same button after selecting the text. So this is for character spacing, AV. So this is the default character spacing. If I want to change the character spacing, again I need to select the text and go to this. The top two are the tight ones, so tight and very tight. So the text comes very tight. The letters come to very tight to each other. And if I go to loose, you can see that the distance, the spacing is increasing. When we go to loose, very loose, so this is a very loose. And also we have more spacing options. We can give spacing expanded to as many points as one. Say I can give say 10, and see this is a 10 spacing. Okay, so this is how we use this text. So next one is the change case, we can change, this is the default case, so I can change it to lower, all upper, capitalize each word, that is the first letter becomes the capital, and there is a toggle case where the first letter becomes in the small, comes in the small case. So this is the sentence case. The first one is sentence case where the first letter of the sentence will be capitalized. So this is how we use this, and the next one is clear all formatting. So here to this word east we have made some changes. So if I have to clear all the formatting and see the original text, we need to select and hit on text. So this was in this size, and so after making a lot of changes it has become to this particular font. So to clear formatting I need to select and hit on clear formatting. So the next one is font color. So I can change font color. So this red which was showing is the latest used color. So I can change it to any color of either theme color or standard color. Okay, and I have a more color options. So more color options has two choices. One is the standard. I can choose from this set and hit OK, or I can go to more colors, custom, and I can give RBC number. So RBC number, say I can give 15, 20 and 80. So this will be the final color, okay, of that particular text. So RBC color, based on RBC also we can change the color. So we can change the colors of multiple text at once. Choose all the text, select the color you want, and go to a dark shade also. Right, so next one is the eyedropper. So suppose I have this text in red, so I need to change text of this word to the color of this word. So I can use the eyedropper. So just I need to select the text, go to the eyedropper and click on this one. Eyedropper will be is visible on the screen. So go to the color which you want to be changed. So this is the color I want. So I will click the dropper. So this particular text will change to color of this particular text. So I can similarly change the color of this text using eyedropper of this. So this is the use of the eyedropper. So we have completed the font section. Let us go to paragraph. So paragraph section has bullets. Basically, paragraph section has bullets. So bullets and aligning. So we can select this and hit on bullets. We'll get the default bullets. So there's a drop down here. You can see. So there are multiple choices. We can choose any type of bullet we want. Okay, and right, so we can choose a different bullet for each of the text also. So this will be this format, and not I can choose another one. This also can be done, and we have another option where I can give the size of the bullet as a percentage of text. Say I have to choose this and go to this now it is activated. So I can say the size should be 50% of the text size, and the color also I can change the color as say red color bullets. Set OK. So the bullet has changed to red color. So these are the options under bullets, and here we have numbering. So we can number as per this format, or as per this, as per any other format listed here. You can do it as a Roman letter. Okay, so this is how we use this. Okay, similarly here also we have the size selection and color selection option. Okay, so the next one is the alignment. So first I'll remove all the bullets, all the formatting. So I can increase the size. So now there are no bullets. So here by default it is left aligned. When I select the text, it shows it's left aligned. Now I can make it to center aligned, can make it to right aligned. Okay, and when I hit on the fourth one is the justify. So it will justify, and it generally comes to left alignment, and it will justify as per the slide and that total text present. So this option, the fourth option is add or remove columns. So add or remove columns. You can learn from this text. See, selecting the whole text, and I am currently it is one column. I can make it two column, and I can make it three column as per the requirement. And more column option also is present. So I can give four or five columns. Here the text box is bigger, so it is not taking 5 columns. So if I change the size of the text box, I will get 5 columns. So this is about the columns part. Now let us go to the text direction. So I can change the text direction. We have choices like rotate all text to 90 degrees, 270 degrees, and stack. So if I choose, I can choose any of the option. So if we choose stack, it comes as a vertical spell. East, you can see EAST. Okay, so that is the text direction. So we have more options for text direction. Currently it is right aligned and it is stacked. So we can use the text options from here also. And okay, so these margins and all we can it is a little we can discuss further videos because this is an introductory videos. I will not be taking all this, but this is the basic things that can be done with the text. So the next one is the left option. So let us go back to the horizontal form, and now we can see that the text. So I can change to a single column, and now align text. When I hit, this is the top aligned. When I just come to middle aligned, the text is moving little down. When I go to bottom align, again it is going little down. So these options can be used as per the requirement. So even the more options, we can use the same format shape um, option we have seen before. Right, so the last one in the paragraph is convert to smart art. So we can convert the text to smart art. So you can just click on the anywhere in the text box, go to convert smart art. So I can choose any smart art I want. Say I can choose this, okay, and increase the size. So these particular spaces can be filled with pictures, images, icons, okay. So there are still more options. So if we do not like this particular smart art, we can go to other options available. And finally, if we do not like anything, we can, if you want to come back to the normal text that we had before, so we can convert it to text. So it comes with bullets, so we can remove the bullets like this. So this was the text present before. We can again go back and convert the text as per the requirement. So these are the individual box circles. We can change the size, color of this, or this comes in as in the next section, drawing, and this will be covered in the next video. So this video we have discussed slides, font, and paragraph. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video and want to see further videos on PowerPoint tutorials, please subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.